In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to find the best keywords to build your keyword list to optimize your Amazon listing and PPC campaigns. Make sure to stick around to the second half of the video. I'll show you a new method that I use that makes all the traditional methods obsolete. But first, my name is Crescent, and if this is our first time meeting, welcome to my channel. My passion is sharing tips and strategies on how you can create a successful Amazon FBA private label business. So if you enjoy videos like this, or especially if you've been around my channel, consider subscribing. All right, let's get started. All right, it's important that you put together the best keyword list as possible when you're starting a new product. You need a master keyword list in order to properly create an optimized listing, including the title, bullet points, description, along with a back-end keyword list and for your PPC campaigns. So let's start with the more common traditional tools that help you put together a keyword list for your new product. All right, so the very first tool is called keywordtooldominator.com, and it's free. And I'll leave links to all of the tools that I'm going to show in this video in the video description below. All right, so all you need to do is enter your seed keyword, which is typically your main, broadest keyword. That's the most relevant one that describes your product, and type it into the search field here. So for example, if we're doing a can opener, make sure you choose the relevant Amazon marketplace that you're doing this in. So for example, if it's US, hit OK. Now, what this tool did is it pulls up a list of relevant keywords here in the keyword results. You can see it pulled up 231 keywords. Okay, now click Add Selected to your keyword list. And what I recommend you do is then enter any subsequent relative keyword phrases into this search field to pull up any additional keywords. So for example, instead of can opener, I can put lid opener. And then you can see it generated another additional 15 keywords. And I'll add this to my selected keyword list. And then what you do is click download selected keywords and save it onto your computer. And it'll save it as a CSV file, a comma separated list. So open that in Excel, and you can see that you've got a list of keywords here. All right. Now, what you want to do is then open a new workbook and copy the list of keywords. And on a Mac, it's Shift Command down arrow, and I'll select all those keywords. Copy that and paste it into your new workbook here. All right, and you'll see why in a moment. Now, if we go use another keyword tool, in this case, keywordtool.io, it's another similar tool to Keyword Dominator. And what you're going to do is use the same seed keywords here. So we'll use can opener. Hit search. Now it's going to pull up a list of keywords that are relevant to your seed keyword again, and you can see it shows 188 unique keywords. Now in this case, we're going to click copy, copy to the clipboard, and then we'll go to Excel, and we'll scroll to the bottom and add that to our master keyword list. Okay, so this list just grew by another 188 keywords. Now if we go back here, we'll do lid opener. You can see it pulled up another 55. We'll do the same thing here. We'll copy it to the clipboard, go back to Excel, paste it here. Now there's another keyword tool that was very popular over the last few years, but recently has been less effective, is Merchant Words. Now, Merchant Words is a paid keyword research tool, so the keyword list that it produces is a little bit better than the free tools, and it's used in the same way. So for example, if we're doing can opener, you're going to type in can opener here, and it's going to pull up a list of keywords for you just like the other two tools. However, it's paid. Now, if you still want to use Merchant Words, which I don't recommend you use anymore because it's outdated, is if you go to merchantwords.com/CrescentKO, instead of $30 a month, use my link. It's not an affiliate link. It's a coupon that I managed to get for my community. It's instead of $30 a month, it's only $9 a month. Okay, so if you want to continue to use Merchant Words, go ahead and use this tool using this link, which I also put in the video description, and it'll give you a slightly better list of results that's a little more relevant and thorough than the free keyword tools that I just showed you. All right. Now, moving beyond that, there's another tool that's also paid called Keyword Inspector. Now, the advantage of using this tool is that it allows you to do what's called a reverse ASIN search. And that's this option here. Now, what a reverse ASIN search is you can take your top competitors, for example, the top 3 listings in your niche, and get the keywords that they're ranking and indexing for, and use their keywords in your keyword list. And what's great about this is these are the top listings, so their keywords are proven to be working. So you're just gonna steal their keywords and you can use them in your own listing, all right? Now, again, this is paid. So what you wanna do is you grab the ASINs of your top listings and you can paste them here, 1 ASIN per line. And you wanna choose this option, USA, 3 credits per ASIN, all right? Now, credits expire. I think they expire every 30 days. And you can buy them here. For example, 25 searches for, or 25 credits for $20. All right, now these are some powerful tools that everyone used to use, including myself, up until about 6 to 8 months ago, which then I transitioned to a new method, which made these tools obsolete, but doesn't mean you can't use it. They're still effective, it's just that there's better technology now that provides a much thorough keyword list for you and at a much more competitive price. Now, the tool that I've entirely switched to, which made all the other tools, in my opinion, obsolete, which I don't even use anymore, is a new tool by Jungle Scout called Keyword Scout, and it's part of their web app subscription. So if you already have a subscription to the web app, it's already included for free, and you should start using it now. And what's powerful about Keyword Scout is that the data that it provides for keywords is from Amazon itself. And so unlike the other keyword tools where it gets its data from search engines such as on Google or Bing, the search intent is different, which you need to be cognizant of. Because when people do searches on search engines, for example on Google or Bing, they're looking for information. However, when people do searches on Amazon, their intent is to buy. And so that's why it's so powerful that the keyword data you're getting from Keyword Scout is directly from Amazon. So again, if you log into Jungle Scout and go to Keyword Scout, you can type in your key seed word. For example, we'll do a can opener again. You can see here that it's pulled up the exact match, broad match search volume along with the PPC bid data, which is also directly from Amazon. And I'll go into this in a second. Now, what's different about the search results in Keyword Scout is that their keyword algorithm is much more powerful and thorough than compared to the free tools such as Keyword Dominator or keywordtools.io or even Merchant Words. Now, if you take a look, for example, look at how thorough and different the keyword results are here. We have can opener, electric can opener, OXO, commercial can opener. If we keep scrolling down, you'll even see smooth edge can opener, results that don't even have the can opener in it. Lid lifter, tin opener. Now, what's different about Keywords algorithm and its results that it produces, you'll notice that if we go back to the other tools, such as on Keyword Dominator, the can opener results has the seed keyword in every single one of the results. So basically what you're seeing is a broad match of can opener with words attached to the end of it. And it's very similar to what you'll see in the Amazon autocomplete. So if we go to amazon.com and we just type in can opener, you'll notice that it's pretty much the same. Can opener followed by an additional keyword or words, right? And if we go back to the other one, keywordtool.io, you'll notice it's pretty much the same thing. Can opener followed by an additional word or words. So these tools just simply aren't as thorough as the list of keywords that the Keyword Scout tool is able to provide. So this is why I've strictly switched to using Keyword Scout, because I found the deficiencies of using the previous set of tools before Keyword Scout was available. Now, once you've done a search for your seed keyword in Keyword Scout, up here there's a button, Export as CSV. If you click that, you can save it and again, open it up in Excel. And again, if we copy the list of keywords here, we can paste it into our master keyword list here. All right, now we have a full list of relative keywords that we can use for optimizing our listing and the back-end keyword list, as well as for our manual PPC campaigns. Now, an additional bonus to what Keyword Scout is able to offer is that it does the reverse ASIN keyword searches for free. And it's unlimited. So again, unlike Keyword Inspector, where you had to use credits that expire and you have to pay per search, you can do the same thing on Keyword Scout an unlimited number of times. So again, if we go back to the can opener niche, and let's take our top listings here, for example, this one, grab the ASIN, we can do unlimited searches here. So we type in the ASIN and do a search. You can see it pulled up the data for that listing. And these are all the keywords that this listing is indexed and they're ranking for. And again, you can export it as CSV and add it to your master keyword list. All right. Now, if we go back to the original can opener list of results, what's powerful here too, while you're doing product research, it shows you the actual bid data from Amazon. Whereas before, in order to get this information, it was troublesome and tedious because you had to actually go through and create a PPC campaign, which takes a lot of time every time you analyze a new niche to get the bid data to help you analyze the level of competition for a niche. So this is an advanced tactic here. So other than just looking at the reviews to gauge the level of competition in a niche, you can use the PPC bid data to help you confirm whether a niche is competitive or not. And again, if you scroll over and look at the PPC bid data, if you're looking at the exact and broad match bid data here, anything above $2, in my opinion, the niche is becoming competitive. And if it's over $2.50 or more, it's definitely competitive. So you want to make sure that the main keywords here are $1.50 and less. And that'll show that the competition is low to medium. All right, this is an advanced tactic here to help you also gauge, along with the reviews, how competitive a niche is. And that's how Keyword Scout can help you do that. Now, what do you do with this master keyword list? Well, first, since we used a whole bunch of tools, there's most likely a bunch of duplicates in this list. So you want to remove all the duplicates from your master keyword list. So what you want to do is click on Data, Table Tools, Remove Duplicates. Okay, and you want to choose everything in column A. And in this case, there are no duplicates found. All right, which is great. So now you want to save this, and what you want to do is save this list of keywords as your master keyword list. And so I would recommend you actually calling it your master keyword list, and it's for can opener. Okay, and save that. Now the reason is because this master keyword list you can use for your brand new manual PPC campaigns, and I have additional videos on how to do this, which I'll leave links to up here. And so what you can do with this master keyword list is you can use it to optimize your listing. So for your title, bullet points, and description. And more importantly, you can use this list to create your back-end keyword list to help index your listing. So the problem though is Amazon has restricted the back-end keyword list to a maximum of 250 characters. Now obviously it's going to be way too long using this entire list because there's 739 keyword phrases here. So we somehow need to narrow this down. So what I recommend you do is then copy this entire list. And we're going to go to a website called wordcharactercount.com. And they have a tool here that removes duplicate words. So paste that entire list here, click on simple removal, and it removed all the words that have duplicates in that entire master keyword list. All right, copy that list, and we're going to use another tool now from another website called lettercount.com, and we're going to paste this list of keywords with the duplicates removed here. And you can see a button here that says count characters is 2,781. So what we need to do is truncate down this list of keywords to 250 characters. So what you want to do is remove any keywords that you already used in your title, bullet points, and description, because you don't need to duplicate words that you've already used. All right. So Again, if you've already created your listing using your master keyword list, you would already know what words you used. So remove those keywords and remove any irrelevant keywords, major brands, and any insignificant or connecting words from this list. So for example, if I'm doing the can opener, I most likely used can opener in my title already. So I can just get rid of that. And all these little connecting words here or numbers probably are not helpful. So remove that. Obviously, if I have a manual can opener, for example, this automatically battery operated is not going to help me. One touch, probably not going to help me either. And so basically go through all of this and remove keywords that don't apply. All right, so I've narrowed that list down. If we click on count characters, we have 298. So let's remove a few more. Dishwasher already had that. Count characters. All right, so what you can do is once you've narrowed this list down to under 250 characters, you can copy that, go to your listing, and in the keywords tab, you're gonna paste it in the search terms field, and then click save and finish. And then your backend keywords is done. All right, I hope you found that helpful, and you can see how powerful and easy it is to use the right tools to create the best and most relevant keyword lists to help you optimize your listing, get the best keywords for your backend keyword list, and the master keyword list for your manual PPC campaigns. And again, I'll leave links to all the tools in the video description below, including a coupon for Jungle Scout, which gives you access to Keyword Scout so you can save some money should you decide to purchase it. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section below. I answer every single one of them. All right, thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And to make sure you never miss a video, click that bell icon to turn on notifications. There's also a link in the description to our community forums, which you should totally join. And if you're looking for more tips and strategy videos, click or tap over here. And as always, thanks for watching.